Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips trio of energy efficient monitor. So friends, Philips business monitor deliver optional performance while reducing energy consumption and introducing the three new Philips monitor to the professional display lineup. The Philips 27B2G5500, 24B2G5200 are the ideal solution for those looking for an environmentally considerate option in their office. And both 27-inch monitor is equipped with latest generation 27-inch IPS panel, and while the 24-inch model is comes with 24-inch IPS panel and all offer low energy consumption compared to its peer, making them ideal option for everyday tasks. And the Philips 24-inch and 27-inch monitor feature Full HD resolution for high quality image and 100 Hz refresh rate for smoothness, and while the 27B2G 5500 has a quad HD resolution, and all three models are also certified with TCU 9.0 and EPEAT Gold rating. And the light sensor on this monitor detect the ambient light and adjust to the perfect brightness with minimal power, while the power sensor feature will turn the monitor into power saving mode where no user is observed in front on the screen. And all three model feature indicated USB hub with 4 USB-A 3.2 generation 1 port to connect various peripherals, and with 2 of the port being side mounted for easy access, and 2 into 3-watt speakers. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.